If you try and take a photo with your iPhone in a quiet place but that camera shutter sound plays loudly, then I'll show you two simple ways on how you can turn off that camera sound so you can take your photos quietly. The first and easiest way of doing this is by opening the settings on our phone. Scroll a bit down until you find this Sounds and Haptics option and tap on it to open it. And the option which we need is this silent mode, so let's enable it. Once silent mode is enabled on our iPhone, the alerts, ringtones, and other sounds won't play, as well as the camera shutter sound. But if silent mode is enabled for you, and you're still having issues with silent mode, then I suggest opening the camera. Locate these 6 dots that should be located at the top right corner of the screen, after which you're going to enable the Live Photos feature. When you take a live photo, the sound won't play by default, and you can take a photo on your iPhone silently.